Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is all about sustainability smart city working model. So in this working model, we are going to demonstrate how we can transform a polluted city into a clean city as well as green and sustainable smart city in this working model. If you can see this working model, if you can see on the left side, which is one side of the model, we can see completely a polluted city. Here, the factory releases smoke into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. We can also see here a dumping yard where we are improper waste disposal causes the land pollution and creates unhealthy environment. Now, if you are seeing towards the right side, now we are moving to the sustainable smart city side. Here, we have implemented various eco-friendly solutions. First of all, we have solar panels installed on houses and buildings. These panels convert sunlight into a clean electricity. We also have a wind turbine adapted which generates renewable energy using wind. Here, we have implemented the solar powered houses, apartments, power station that is demonstrates how cities can reduce the overall dependence on the fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel, and so on. And also, we have placed separate dustbins in this working model. This is going to help us to talk about waste management, that is waste segregation as well as waste recycling. If we do proper waste management, that is definitely going to reduce the overall pollution and keeps our city clean. And we also given the trees and green plants in this working model that is going to help us to improve the overall air quality by absorbing the carbon dioxide and providing a healthier environment for all our human beings and animals. Overall, this working model teaches us by using renewable energy, proper waste management, recycling, green spaces, and smart planning, we can transform the polluted city into sustainable cities. The main motto or main message out of this working model is reduce the pollution, use the renewable energy, go green, and build a sustainable future. Thank you for watching. If you like this project, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.